Hi guys, today we will explain how to update network drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing is click on the Windows icon, and here you have to enter Device Manager. Once you see it, click on it. In your Device Manager, you have to find the option Networks and Adapter. Once you see it, double click on it, and here you have to find your network drivers. In my case, the drivers are already updated and you can see it. But if it is not in your case, then what you have to do is right-click on your drivers and click on the option Update Drivers. Once you click on it, you will see two options: Search Automatically for Drivers and Browse My Computer for Drivers. If you want to search automatically, then click on it, and here you can see the option to search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on it, and here you can check the update for your drivers. But if you want to update it manually from your computer, then again, right-click and tap on the option Update Driver, and here tap on the option Browse My Computer for Driver. Once you see it, simply click on the option Browse, and here you have to go to the folder in which you have your driver, and here you can also pick the list of your available drivers in your computer which you want to install. Click on it and pick a list. Once you see it, tap on the option Next and install the updated driver in your computer, and that's it.